Good morning, everyone, and welcome to a new edition of Startup Showcase. My name is Mitja, and today we have guests Costina and Marius from Rungutan. The daily Startup Showcase is a short video that we shoot every day with startups that we encounter with the purpose to put some light on them, to understand a little bit about the product, about the target and the business model and future plans. And we're addressing the activist community and investors, accelerators, or other people who might be interested to get in touch with these startups. So, hello, Costina. Hello, Marius. Welcome.
Hello.
Tell us about Rungutan in one phrase. What does it do?
Well, it's Rungutan because it runs really fast.
Yeah.
And it's the first Romanian API load testing SaaS platform, 100% serverless, dedicated finally to SMBs. And we're launching the platform today, which is really, really cool. We're working on it in the last 9 months.
Okay. Who is it targeting more specifically? What problems are you solving for those clients or users?
Okay. Well, basically, this platform offers testing services for sites traffic load capacity. And the novelty it lays in these load testing platforms is the fact that it provides support for creating workflows that simulate the user experience. In this way, it's easier to design workflow-oriented test strategies. And we're targeting SMBs from web development, because till now all competitors are targeting only enterprise companies. So because of the high prices and the fact that they are really difficult to be learned or to be used, we designed a solution that it's less time consuming and less resources consuming in order to be used by SMBs.
So basically, Rungutan is about it's for software agencies, web development agencies who manage various websites, and they want to test their websites from the load perspective, right?
Exactly.
Sounds good. Let's see from Marius, who can share the screen, and would be curious to see a demo to see how the product works.
Hey, so I don't know if you noticed, but this is the landing page. We personally think it's amazing, and we spent a lot of time designing the landing page.
Let's hope it works.
Yeah, exactly. And the platform, you can access it from the landing page by just clicking on the login. If you don't have an account, you're going to be asked to create one, else since I'm already logged in, this is it. Once you've logged in and created a team, inside that team, you'll be able to view and schedule tests, as well as cron jobs, which are scheduled tasks that run every day, month, or week. Creating a test is as simple as first adding a domain and validating it, and then just clicking on Start Test. I've already created a few tests, so here are some results. This, for example, is a failure result. I don't mean our platform failed, I mean the platform that we tested failed stress testing. The reason why I wanted to show you that it failed is because now you don't just know that it failed, you also know how it failed, when it failed, and with what errors. Once you download the CSV, you'll see exactly the path, the actual error occurrences, and then the regions that it happened, not just the fact that it failed. A successful test, though, should look like this. You get the amount of requests that were done, the response times, and as well as averages, stats, and percentile groups of response times. Also, because we've designed our platform API-driven and serverless, we've thought of it as not just a user interaction tool, but a system interaction tool. So you basically can integrate it using our CLI into any system integration service using continuous integration service using just a simple command line. And then you can set up alerts and get notified on either Slack or email when something happens.
Okay. How did you come up with the idea? Where does it come from? How did you notice these problems?
So I've come up with the idea a few months ago while migrating a platform for a very big enterprise from on-premise to the cloud, and was asked a simple question: will the new infrastructure be able to handle the current traffic, which is 2,000 requests per second? Because there were a lot of restriction imposed for that traffic to be created, such as from multiple IPs, from multiple regions, using specific workflows. We couldn't find a solution out there that was able to fulfill all of those requirements, just some, and be, let's just say, cost friendly at the same time.
Yeah.
So with that in mind, I came back and decided to build this, which is exactly that. A cost-friendly solution that can create workflows and schedule tests that run from 15 concurrent regions around the globe and can scale to 100,000 requests per second.
Okay. Anything else to show in the demo, or should we come back to another question to Costina?
That's basically it. You
Okay.
create the test, you view the results, you see the errors.
Sounds good.
Simple as that.
Thank you. Costina, a question for you. I mean, you said you're just launching this week, and I'm curious, what are your plans for the next upcoming months?
Well, selling, that's the main plan that we're having. We want to see, basically we want to test the subscriptions that we have. We have 3 kinds of monthly and annually subscriptions. And another really cool option is called pay-per test. So you will have access to the platform, but you will pay only for the tests that you run. So in the next months, we're going to test all the possibilities in order to see which subscriptions are more appealing to our targeted customers. And by the end of the year, we want to add more people to our team. We're going to hire some more backends and front ends, and in the same time, more people on sales.
Okay, so your focus will be on client acquisition, and if the audience knows some agencies or some companies which might use the product or find it useful, to jump right in. You're also looking for investment at some point in the near future, or you want to delay that for later?
We're looking for an investment, yes, because we want to develop the platform and do it better and better. And also we've got in plan for the next year to start building the IE version of the platform.
AI, artificial intelligence based, I guess, right?
Basically, that's the main target. And in order to do that, we need funding in order to grow the team and to update the current platform that we have.
Okay, sounds good. That's it with the short interview for the daily startup showcase. Thank you very much, Costina and Marius, and see you folks in the audience tomorrow for another video.